everyone, today we are headed over to Johor to climb a little beginner-friendly mountain called Gunung Arong at 273 meters, and it offers panoramic view of South China Sea. I'm a little bit excited right now and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. See you later. Bye bye.
My name is Tom.
Hi Tom.
I'm from
Malaysia.
Malay Gunung Perhutanan Negeri Johor. Okay, this is our guide Kuntung over there. Kuntung. And this is your tripper. The last man.
Last man.
Zul, eh? Zul. Okay, welcome to Gunung Arong. Today we will hike to Mount Arong, 240 meters from sea level. The distance is 4 kilometers.
In English, he says, whatever trash you bring with you, whatever you must bring it back. Don't litter in the mountains.
Okay.
Usually, stay with. If those who are alone, just make sure you have a buddy. And nobody should walk behind.
Zul, that's super.
Okay.
And by the way, there should be no medical condition here. Heart failures, heartbroken.
Okay?
No heart, high blood or whatever.
I left my heart
You have broken
somewhere.
Maybe
friend.
injury. Anyone with injury, so that we will know where to help you if you're injured. Also, all are healthy, bang.
Okay, all healthy.
Pregnant,
This take 1 hour to reach peak
Summit.
Summit. We have one checkpoint for
One checkpoint.
Okay,
Okay, how many checkpoints do you have?
Oh, stretching.
for the checkpoint, do we need to show a passport?
Hi! Where are we going? Gunung Arong!
Why are you laughing like that?
Because it's funny.
How is it funny?
Because it's funny.
Show them the monkeys ahead.
Okay, I show you guys the monkey, okay? This is the first one. Hi! Oh, there.
Why?
Later we have to cross the stream, right? My friend say
Oh.
to ask the guy.
So fun, ah.
We might have to cross the stream.
Oh, okay.
So I stand by slipper. New shoe.
Yeah, mine is
Nice. Stairs. Ouch! Then it changed to like leaf and a rope. Where's my other friend?
at the back.
Hi!
Hey!
Happy?
Yeah.
Steep. Happy? You're good. Okay. It was steep.
I go down is the same. I hate going down.
Oh, going down is fine. At least gravity can help me. Taking a break.
You can tell that I just bought it.
We are continuing. Hi. Oh, hi. Hello.
Climbing up to 450 meters today.
I thought it was 200 plus.
If only.
So it's a lie?
Yeah, it's a lie.
Huh? But online also say 200 plus eh. 400? Serious? Let's see. Huh? Then why did online say? Okay, never mind. It was flat and now up again.
No. Now I'm with the Dutch company.
the trail was so fantastic. And it took us 5 minutes to reach here only.
Wow, you're really fast.
Yes. And thanks to this blogger who's taking the video. Please like and subscribe. We only need one more to reach 5 million.
Okay, bye.
750.
Oh, wow.
So fast ah.
Oh, careful.
After every step there's
Continue. More steep. I swear this is not a 200 plus meters mountain. Hiya. This is at 850 meter distance already from the base. See? And we're here! Look!
Careful your head. I got hit.
Hi everyone! Hi!
Hi! 10 million!
Hi! 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 Hi!
Congrats!
Thanks! For what?
Meet.
Oh, nice!
Now can drink wine.
Wine? Champagne? Oh yes, over there.
I think this is the real summit.
Don't use a stick lah.
And then we continue there.
You are doing a video?
Yeah. Hello.
Hi! We finished! Nice view.
Hi. Hi.
Good.
Hi.
Hello!
Hi. Hi.
My name is
Hi. Okay, your name is what?
Marcus!
Hi. What's so funny?
I do not know. I really laugh. I laugh.
Hi. Music to your ears, right? Music, nice music. Natural music. So, I hear the sound of the beach. Ouch! Help me. This always happens. I thought I was fine, then suddenly I tripped over something, like a log or something. The sound of waves is really loud, right, Diana? Oh my god, we are out. Hello, Diana. Hi. How was the walk?
Good. Wow, shock. Going downwards.
What time is it? It's 1:43. Oh, that's later than I thought.
That's why. Wow, not too bad. It's a good trail down.
Yeah,
And look at that, paradise.
paradise. But paradise is when I'm with you.
Ooh.
Ooh. Let's show you the beach. Hi. Oh, nice. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye. Listen to the sound of the waves.